This is James Graff with Advisors Mortgage Group with another Mortgage Minute. Why rent when you can buy? Ask me, how much do I need for a down payment? Are there loans for first-time home buyers? What credit score do I need to qualify? What if my credit is not perfect? I'm more than willing and happy to answer all these questions. They're easy to answer. Why should you help your landlord pay his mortgage? Did you know that most people who rent can afford to buy a great home? If you buy, your monthly mortgage payment may be the same or less than your rent payment. Your mortgage interest may be tax deductible. Consult a tax advisor. Doesn't that make more sense? Call me today to explore your options. This has been James Graff at Advisors Mortgage Group, and you can reach me at 732-500-6883. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. Thanks again.